Fry the breaded buttermilk chicken breast and set aside. It's available in selected grocery stores. Sauté sliced carrots, celery, red bell pepper and onion. Put back the fried breaded buttermilk chicken. Add in the mixture of 1 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Mix thoroughly until the chicken and vegetables are well coated with the sauce. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and it's ready to serve. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Cravery in the kitchen.